Hey there, I'm Joe, and I'm a tutor at the LeetCode Network, and today we're going to be starting a new tutorial series. In this tutorial series, I'm going to be teaching you jQuery from beginner to advanced, and in this lesson, part 1, we're just going to be going over how to include the jQuery library into your web page. So let's get started. There are currently two ways of being able to do this. You could either go to jQuery.com and download the latest version, or you can go to the Google API codes and you can get the latest version and include it into your document. Now I'm going to show you both them ways right now. So if we open Google Chrome, which is my default web browser, and we go to jQuery and click enter, the first link is jQuery.com. Once we click that, it navigates us to this page. Now you can see on the right it tells us to grab the latest version, and you can choose your compression level. Production is the minified version and development is the uncompressed version, meaning production is going to be a lot less of a file. It's going to be a smaller file. So once we click download jQuery, it's going to bring us to a page full of JavaScript. Now this JavaScript, what we're going to do is we're just going to press Ctrl A, Ctrl C, and in our default text editor for making web pages you can use Dreamweaver or Notepad++. I'm using Dreamweaver CS 5.5. But once you have that open, we're going to open a new JavaScript document. We're going to get rid of the current comment, or if you have a comment, and we're just going to click Ctrl V to paste that JavaScript from the website to this document. Once we have that, we're going to click File, Save As, and I've created a folder on my desktop named jQuery, and I've created a folder inside that named JS where all the JavaScript files are going to go. Once in the JS folder, I'm just going to name this jQuery.js to save it as a JavaScript document. Now, I can also file open, and within this jQuery folder I've created index.html. Now this is just a standard HTML document with just the title of jQuery testing. Now within the head tag of the document we're going to include the first method of jQuery. And how we do this is we just type in script and close the script tag, and then within the first script tag we're going to do type equals text/JavaScript. src standing for source is equal to where we saved the file to. So for me I saved it in the JS folder and I named it jQuery.js. Click save, and then how you can tell if that's included in Dreamweaver anyway, if you close it and reopen that file, and you see Dreamweaver gives you this tab here, and you can see that jQuery.js has been included into the document. And if you click jQuery.js, it's going to take you to the document which we included, which is this JavaScript which we pasted from the website. If we go back to the source code and comment out this include, I'm now going to show you the second way of including jQuery into your document. Now this is my more preferred way. So if we go back to Google and type in jQuery Google API, then the first link is the Google Libraries API Developers Guide. And you can see under the table of contents, under the available libraries, you have jQuery. If you click that, then it's going to navigate you to the jQuery section. You can see it gives you a path, and a path which is uncompressed. In today's lesson I'm going to be copying the path as I'm not going to be editing the version of jQuery. So once I copied that, I can go into my HTML document and type in script, type equals text/JavaScript, and for the src source we're just going to paste in that link which we copied from Google APIs. I'm going to close off the script tag. So that's the second and my most preferred way of including jQuery into your website document. The reason why it's my preferred way is because the Google API will automatically get the latest version each time. it'll also already be cached in your browser from other websites. So that's why I use it, and making sure it be cached in other websites will allow it to load faster. So if it's cached in other websites, then it's going to load a lot faster on your document, making your document and website seem to load faster. Okay, so this has been part 1, and we've just gone over including jQuery into a website document. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial.